Family, the day has finally come. Today is the day of the Akae Beka live in London at the Brixton Hootananny. And I am super elated. I could not wait for this day. This glorious day. This day when Akae Beka, previously Midnite band out of St. Croix, USVA, the most prolific roots reggae band, is going to be playing here tonight, and I'm here. I can't wait to get some clips for your family. Somebody saying hi, him not even know me, and he must say hello, but that's a love God. Give thanks and blessed love. Can't wait to do some clips for you. It's a nice offering, and I'll be here in the high frequency. And the energies, nothing but upful vibrations. Blessed love. See you next time.
Financial legislation is a moral issue in the law. That's the obligation to pay life toll. Oh yeah, some of them are warrior.